Hello ladies and gentlemen, those between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to Miles Ocampo, May Mendoza, and Riza May Dizon performing Tuwing Umuulan on Eat Bulaga stage.
Meron pa tayong online request from Jack JPT for Main, Miles, and Riza. Siyempre, Umbrella. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka.
Ay, grabe.
I love this song.
Eto, iyakan na talaga to.
Ito talaga.
Kakahiya naman. Try po
Kakahiya
natin.
naman.
Dali
Wow.
play. Susunod.
Try them
Kanina
nila.
nga, hindi kayo kasali, sumama kayo.
Okay, why do I have a strange feeling that these girls are not gonna take this seriously? Intro pa lang tawanan na. So, am I expecting to see them perform this song seriously? Parang hindi. Miles talaga, bungis-ngis yan Riza May too. See? Alam nyo, wala pa nga oh.
Susunod.
Balik daw sa
Kanina nga, hindi kayo kasali, sumama kayo.
Pagmasdan.
See, sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi talaga to masiseryoso. But you know what guys, on a serious note, main reason why I decided to check this out and make a reaction video to this, because I love this song so much. And the main reason, this song made me a huge Regine Velasquez fan. Back when I was in high school, sometime in late 1990s, Regine Velasquez was popular at that time, but I was not a fan. Hindi ako fan ni Regine, but when I listened to her sing this song for the very first time, I was like, oh, Regine Velasquez, my God! And I became a fan instantly. So, sana naman, seryosohin nyo to. Pero talaga feeling ko hindi. Sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo. But you know what guys, I got a question for you. Na-miss nyo din yung maybe, yung si Bimbi at si Riza May. Kasi nakakainis, last Saturday, absent si Bimbi. Parang this week, hindi pa siya napapakita sa Eat Bulaga, no? Kakamiss. Wait, one more. Akala mo naman siseryosohin nila.
Sakto lang. Okay.
Ayan, Jaryo.
Ayan na, kakanta na sila. Talaga ba?
Pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting kumakagat.
Gusto ko yung papalakpak ni Paolo sa background. Kung ganun pa, parang akala mo naman. Support lang.
Sa mga halaman, bulaklak. Pagmasdan ang dilim.
Alam niyo guys, kung nandito lang si Bimbi sa performance na to, sana kantahin nila dalawa, no? Sana kantahin nila. Sana. Ay, siguro napaka-romantic ng mood pag kinanta nila ang dalawa to.
Unti-unting bumabalot sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay. Unti-unting.
Hindi talaga nila siniseryoso. I think Main, Miles, and Riza, hindi naman talaga sila singers, di ba? They can sing, but they're not professional singers, and hindi naman sila yung, they're not those mga technical talaga na singers. But, yeah, what matters is yung mood ng performance. So, masaya lang.
Ang iyong ganda, kasabay ng hangin kumakanta.
Si Paolo talaga sa background. Emote ng emote. Emote kung emote talaga.
Maaari bang huwag ka nang sa piling ko'y lumisan pa hanggat ang hangin ulay tumitig.
Ah.
Buhos na wala
Ah.
mundo'y lunuring tuloy.
You know what, guys? I was really obsessed with this song. I think this song was released back in 2000, and I was just maybe a senior college student at that time. I do love the very romantic atmosphere of the song. You know, it's a song. I mean, the rain gives the song a soft, intimate feeling, almost like a private moment between two people who are madly, truly, deeply in love with one another. And yeah, it's about wanting someone to stay. It's a big part of a romance. A big part of a romance comes from Regine Velasquez, the singer, asking the person not to leave while the rain is still falling. Yeah, ganda ng song, right? Ang ganda din ng pagka-explain ko, no? In fairness. Ang ganda ng pagka-explain ko kasi ang ganda ng pagkakanta nila.
Pagkatapos mo, di mapipigil ang puso ko. Nagliliya. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y gumihiyaw.
Sana kantahin talaga nila to ni Bimbi. Sana. Keeping my fingers crossed. Kasi parang ang ganda ng mood, you know. With this song, the rain becomes a romantic setting. You know, like instead of seeing the rain as gloomy, the song makes it feel special because, you know, someone is with the person she loves, di ba? So it's almost like the rain creates a little world where two people in love can be together. Yung parang Riza and Bimbi lang, no? Dapat buhusan din sila ng ulan habang kumakanta. Joke! Hindi talaga seryoso. Wow. Wow. Yun na yun?
Ganda.
Yun na yun?
Tuyungan mo!
Oh, sure.
Kaya, tatanong na naman kayo.
Huwag daw nagtatanong.
Galing.
Tapos na mga friends.
Tapos na mga Gusto niyo pa ba mga friends?
Tapos na mga friends. Bye-bye! Alright guys, did you have fun? Did you enjoy this performance? Let me know in the comment section below. Sana lang, no, mag-guest na naman ulit si Bimbi sa Eat Bulaga. And of course, perform with Riza May. Kasi nakakamiss yung maybe. So anyway guys, I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out!